Ogbuefi here I could say today, our lecture today, summarize our today's lecture. Today's topic is all you should know about oath of life. All you should know about oath of life, whether positive or negative. We now tell you that oath of life is those oaths you took in your life, previous earth life, knowingly and unknowingly. And the law of karma ensures that whatever decision you made by spoken words, by actions, by your deeds are still there for you. Because whether negative or positive must flow back to you, the originator. So be mindful of what you say. Before you say anything or take some certain decision, ponder over it, over and over. Because whatever thought you took, decision you made in your previous life must come back, flow back to you the originator. So some of you don't take decisions when you are angry. When some people take some certain decision out of anger, and today is hurting them. So ensure before you take some certain decisions in your previous life, ponder over it, the gains and the loss before you make some decisions. Then again, know if you have done you have those negative out of life or positive out of life in previous life, and it is stopping you today. There are some certain things you will do to reverse it. Yes. You are there, you are, but rather I will reverse the negative out of life. Those ones that are positive out of life, we activate them. We have process the way we do it in the temple. So what am I saying? From today, go start the money. Don't make decisions or decrease in a haste. Ponder over it. Ponder over it, over and over. If you have any question or want to watch this program to the fullest, visit our YouTube channel, Ogbuefi Eze-Ana Ugochitubelu. If you want us to do consultation for you, or you have any question in today's lecture, chat me on WhatsApp 0805 78 37672. See you tomorrow. No guy what you say. I said no one on way go dey do it. We shall not inform you.